Hey, welcome back. Let's take a slow moment together today. I'm sitting here on a quiet mountain, fresh air, soft breeze, just me, my sketchbook, and this peaceful view. Feel free to breathe with me, slowly. I'll start with a simple outline. Those tiny hidden houses between the trees. The shape of the mountain. Nothing perfect, just gentle strokes. Let your mind settle and enjoy this calm moment. Now I'm adding a light wash of color, light blues. Soft greens. Nothing rushed. Watercolor always has its own rhythm. It spreads, blends, and finds its way naturally. Just like our thoughts, let them flow. You're doing great. Just relax with the motion. Almost done. I'm adding a soft background to bring everything alive. A little shadow. touch of yellow sunlight. Tiny details that make the sketch feel warm. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. Let's slow down one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Thanks for being here with me. See you in the next calm moment.